Hey guys, what's happening? How to safeguard your data on finance apps. So first of all, make sure to use strong password or 2FA, right? So make sure to go to your password, right? And generate a powerful or strong password and enable two-factor authentication from your finance app, right? For extra security. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and download from trusted sources, right? Go to the App Store, Google Play, in order, or go from the official stores like Google Play and App Store in order to download these trusted apps, right? And limit permissions. Avoid giving unnecessary access to contacts, location, or storage, right? You could go ahead to the privacy and security right here and deny access from some of these apps, right? Like for example, right here, microphones, right? Or locations. You could go ahead to the locations right here, location services, and you can deny some of those apps on your phone, right? Next, monitor transactions. Regularly check your statement before for an unauthorized activity. Right, you're gonna receive it if you're gonna receive every transaction you have on your mail. Right, if you transferred or you've got money, whatever that might be, you're gonna receive it on your mail, and make sure that you made that transaction. Okay, and make sure to set up notifications. Go ahead to your settings and then notifications, right? And allow or give access to your financial apps to have notifications, right? In order to get the latest updates, right? Avoid public Wi-Fi. Use VPN, right? Through a third-party app in order to protect your IP, right? Or mobile data to prevent hackers from intercepting your info, right? And obviously update your financial apps regularly, right? Make sure to check your App Store or Google Play and then update your financial apps like Revolt, for example, right? And be wary of phishing. Do not click on do not click on suspicious links or share sensitive info via email or text. So that's been the comments of this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Stay alert and stay secure. See you.